Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because today we're diving into one of the wildest creations the luxury automotive and RV world has ever seen. Imagine the heart-pounding thrill of a Ferrari supercar, combined with the unmatched comfort of $1 million motorhome. Sound impossible, right? Well, not anymore. This is a 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a jaw-dropping $3 million beast that blends insane luxury, futuristic technology, and Ferrari's iconic speed, all in one rolling masterpiece. So, if you've ever dreamed of traveling across America in Ferrari style, where your RV looks like a supercar and performs like one, two, stay tuned, because you're about to witness something absolutely out of this world. The Ferrari Touch, a supercar on wheels. Ferrari has always been about performance, style, and exclusivity. From the legendary Enzo to the LaFerrari, they've set the standard for supercars. But for 2026, Ferrari decided to do something absolutely radical, bringing their DNA of speed and design into the luxury motorhome industry. This motorhome isn't just some RV with a Ferrari badge slapped on it. No, it's built from the ground up with Ferrari's design language. From the aggressive aerodynamics to the sleek lines, this motorhome doesn't look like a box on wheels. It looks like a stretched Ferrari hypercar. And trust me, on the road, it turns more heads than any Lamborghini or Bugatti. Exterior design, supercar meets motorhome. Let's start with the outside. At first glance, you'd think you're looking at a futuristic concept car, rather than an RV. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome features a sculpted carbon fiber body, sharp LED matrix headlights, active aerodynamic spoilers, and even Ferrari's iconic grille design. This isn't some bulky vehicle struggling to move. No, it's sleek, aerodynamic, and Ferrari engineers have ensured it cuts through the air with minimal drag. It even has adaptive ride height, meaning the motorhome lowers itself at high speeds for better stability, and raises up when driving into campgrounds or uneven terrains. And the wheels? Custom 24-inch forged alloy rims wrapped in performance-grade Michelin tires, the kind you'd expect on a Ferrari SF90, not a motorhome. This is truly a showstopper on highways. Performance, the fastest motorhome on Earth. Now let's talk about the part Ferrari fans are dying to know: performance. Underneath this RV's sleek body lies a hybrid V12 powertrain, pushing out nearly 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 horsepower in a motorhome. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and Ferrari's state-of-the-art 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this beast can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.8 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars, and absolutely insane for a motorhome. The top speed? An electronically limited 165 miles per hour, making it the fastest luxury RV in the world. But don't worry. Ferrari also included advanced safety systems like carbon ceramic brakes, adaptive cruise control lane assist, and Ferrari's F1-inspired traction control system. So yes, you can have fun, but also stay safe while cruising cross-country. Luxury interior, a 5-star hotel on wheels. Now let's step inside, because the interior is where this motorhome goes from insane to unbelievable. Ferrari teamed up with Italian luxury designers to create a living space that feels more like a private jet mixed with a Ferrari cockpit. Every inch of the cabin screams elegance, technology, and craftsmanship. Cockpit. The driver's seat looks like it's been taken straight out of Ferrari Roma, complete with a digital racing-style dashboard, Alcantara leather seats, and a flat-bottom carbon steering wheel. But unlike a supercar, you're sitting higher, giving you a panoramic road view. Living area. Behind the cockpit, you step into a spacious living room with Italian leather sofas, carbon fiber furniture, and an entertainment system featuring an 80-inch OLED smart TV with Dolby Atmos surround sound. And yes, the walls have ambient Ferrari-style LED lighting that you can customize with a touchscreen. Kitchen. The kitchen isn't just functional, it's luxurious. It comes with marble countertop, built-in espresso machine, smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, and even a wine cellar for your finest Italian wines. Bedroom. Move further back, and you'll find a master bedroom, which feels like a luxury suite. A king-size memory foam bed, retractable TV, panoramic skylight for stargazing, and even Ferrari's signature prancing horse stitched into the leather headboard. Bathroom. And of course, the bathroom is pure class, featuring heated marble floors, rainfall shower, gold-trimmed fixtures, and a smart mirror that displays weather, navigation, and even your travel itinerary. This isn't just an RV. It's a 5-star hotel that moves at Ferrari speeds. Cutting-edge technology. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't just about luxury looks. It's packed with futuristic technology. Smart home integration. Everything in this RV is voice-activated. Lights, climate control, shades, and entertainment can all be controlled with simple command, or through Ferrari's custom iOS/Android app. Solar and battery power. Ferrari included a solar panel roof paired with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery system. This means you can go completely off-grid for days without worrying about power. Autonomous driving mode. Yes, when you want to relax, the motorhome can drive itself using Ferrari's advanced autopilot system. Imagine sipping wine in a lounge while your Ferrari RV drives across Route 66. Expandable living space. At the push of a button, the sides of the motorhome slide out to expand your living space, giving you nearly 800 square feet of luxury living. Exclusivity only for the elite. Now, before you start calculating your savings account, let's talk price. This beauty costs a mind-blowing $3 million. And it's not for everyone. Ferrari plans to make only 25 units worldwide. That means owning one of these isn't just about having money. It's about being part of an elite club of Ferrari collectors and billionaires who want the rarest luxury toys on Earth. And of course, with Ferrari, exclusivity is everything. Each buyer can customize their RV with Ferrari's tailor-made program, choosing unique paint finishes, interior trims, and even bespoke features. Why this Ferrari Motorhome is a game changer. You might be asking, why would Ferrari, a brand famous for race cars, build a motorhome? The answer is simple. The luxury lifestyle market is evolving. More and more billionaires and celebrities want the freedom of travel without sacrificing speed, style, or comfort. And Ferrari saw an opportunity to combine their racing heritage with ultimate luxury living. This motorhome is a statement. It says, I want it all. Performance, luxury, freedom, and exclusivity. It's not just an RV. It's a supercar mansion on wheels. Final thoughts. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a piece of art, a technological marvel, and the ultimate symbol of wealth and freedom. With its jaw-dropping design, blistering performance, and 5-star interior, it has officially redefined what we think a motorhome can be. Sure, at $3 million, it's not exactly for your average road tripper. But for those who can afford it, this RV offers a chance to experience America's highways in true Ferrari style. So, what do you think? Is this Ferrari Motorhome the future of luxury travel, or just an outrageous billionaire toy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look at Ferrari's most insane creation yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more epic reviews of the world's most luxurious rides. Until next time, travel fast, travel in style, and never stop chasing the extraordinary.